Cheers.
This is our 50th video right here. And we want to thank every single one of you for the support, all our fans, all the comments, all the likes, everything we get. We appreciate it. We love doing this. It's something we just
enjoy to do. The kids love it.
Yeah, we get to go back and look at memories, you know.
Yeah.
So it's something we decided to do. Maybe not for the fame type thing, you know, which would be cool or whatever, but more like for us, just so we can go back, the kids can go back and show their kids how we were.
Yeah.
You know, we're really, really goofy. And right now we're actually using the Pit Boss grill. We're smoking a pork loin.
Smells good.
It does smell good.
Smell it.
It smells very, very good. Now,
Yeah.
we've had a couple questions about how it was to put it together. And we did happen to take some footage of it. Well,
we'll insert it somewhere in here.
No.
No? At the end?
No, that's coming up.
Oh. Oh.
Right after our intro.
Oh, okay.
So basically our 50th video is going to show you exactly how easy and piece of a cake
And how funny it was.
It is to put this thing together. So easy. What's your name? Delaney. Oh, here he comes. There he is. Come here, Greg. Come talk to the camera. Stop right there. What's your name? Greg.
Name's Bentley.
Your name's Bentley?
Alright, so got him the grill cover, a meat thermometer, and a 12-pack of Busch. I hate to say it, but he's not drinking the Busch. I think the Busch was for me. So I can handle him. Or complaining, sorry. Complaining while he puts it together. I did offer. If he needs help, I could help him. He just has to ask. Check in with you soon. Alright, I got Cody over there putting the grill together. Big old mess back there. I'm glad I just cleaned the garage the other day, babe. Oh, potty mouth. Hey, how you doing over there?
It's got an oven in this grill.
So when you're trying to be funny, and something happens, it's still kind of funny. Alright, so after putting the beast together, you should be on this side so you can give me a little tour of your new grill.
You want the tour?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful. I mean,
aluminum, I think.
there's a little glare going on from the light, but...
Temperature gauges, we don't know how accurate.
Alright. So what do we got on this side?
The sides are propane.
Okay.
Pretty wobbly knobs, but push them in, turn them just like normal.
Okay.
Got these hooks. I didn't really like this when we bought it. They're plastic.
Maybe we can figure something else about that.
Reburn.
Alright. What do we got this?
This is going to be my favorite side. This is my charcoal side. Nice little lift system.
Oh, okay. Now I understand how it's put together. See, that wasn't put together right in the store, so.
Right. Got your little air slot here.
Okay. So you said this is charcoal. This is gas.
Propane.
Oh, propane.
Yep, gas. Got some nifty little storage drawers down here.
Ooh, those.
Down here is basically an electric oven.
Oh, nice.
With
Let's see inside there.
Fits a 20-pound turkey.
Oh, wow. Bigger than we can get in our house,
Yep.
so that we're doing good there.
This it also has the option to smoke in it.
Nice.
So you put your wood chips in there. There's a little water tray down in there.
Get it.
But it don't stop there. So you don't want to fire up the oven. But you still want to put some smoke flavor on it. Throw some chips in here. Fire it up. Fire up your charcoal or your propane. And here's some little dampers to let the smoke go through.
Okay. Now, didn't you say there was something about this box down here that was different from the charcoal and the propane?
It's electric.
Okay.
So it does plug in.
What I like is the nice big, like,
There's no sideburn.
well, it doesn't.
It's definitely a lot of platform.
Right, for your utensils, because when you're cooking, you don't want to hang it while you're cooking. You want to have it right here.
Huge. This is my new baby, our new baby. Now we just gotta oil up the grapes.
All right, YouTube. Comment down below who's gonna look sexier grilling on this, me or him? Because Mama can throw down on some grill.
It's all about the food flavor.
It's all about the hands that make it.
It's called the Memphis Ultimate by Pit Boss.
It's called what?
Very affordable for what it is. Well, it's still expensive.
What's the name of it again?
The Memphis Ultimate by Pit Boss.
All right. Well, Pit Boss, I got some ribs in there that need to be made.
You know how we're cooking our turkey this year, right?
Oh, down there.
Gotta put our battery in still.
Oh. All right. Well, let's follow Cody over here. I forgot to document the time of you starting.
It was like 2:40.
Okay. And it's 5:51. Non-stop, too. You only asked me to you only asked me to help a couple times.
There it goes.